Okay, we're going to do the last four together. These are pretty simple. We need to find the zero. Remember, your zero is going to be a number that generates zero. So you want to find the x that gives you a zero. This is your x, this is your y. So we're going to replace the y with 0 and solve it for x. Since this has a fraction, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So 3 times 0 is 0. These 3's divide out to 1. 2x minus 36. I'm going to move my 36 over. I'm going to get 36 equals 2x divided by 2. And my x is going to be 18 in it, which would be my 0. If I put 18 right here and work it out, I would get 0. Okay, let's do the same thing on this one. We're going to replace this with 0. I'm going to get rid of the fraction and solve for x. So 5, 5, 5. I'm going to get 0 equal, these divide out, negative 3x plus 45. So I need to move my 45 over. Negative 45 equals negative 3x, divide by negative 3. 2 negatives makes a positive. 15 would equal to x, wouldn't it? So my 0 on number 25 is 18. My 0 on number 26 is 15. Okay, and the last two. On the last two, we could find the x-intercept, but it doesn't cross the graph. The graph's not big enough, so we need to get our mx plus b. So put m equal and b equal. So this is my b, which is negative 4, and my m is going to go through here. My m is going to be negative 1 over 3, right? So I'm going to write down y equal negative 1 over 3x minus 4, and I need to replace the y with 0 to get my 0, don't I? Okay, so I'm going to do 0 equal negative 1 over 3x minus 4. Get rid of the fraction. So 0 equals negative x minus 12. Agree. Move over the 12. And then divide by negative 1, and I'm going to get x equals negative 12. And that makes sense because at negative 12, this line would cross the x-axis, wouldn't it? This is actually your x-intercept, isn't it? Okay, right here, this is my b. And my slope is right here and right here, which is down and over. It's down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down 1 over 5, right? Yeah, so my m is going to be negative 1 over 5. So it's going to be y equals negative 1 over 5x plus 5, and replace the y with 0 to get your 0, right? Multiply everything by 5 to get rid of your fraction. And I'm just going to move the x over on this one. If I do that, I get x equals 25, which makes sense. At 25, this line would cross the x-axis. So those are my zeros. Good luck on your test tomorrow. Put a Pentagon T on that test to give you more power. You're going to do very good.